go and play through this level. So if all of you hop up on that sponge and hop over, we can now get through this area here. Oops, grab down to you instead of the block.
So as they're playing through the level, they are in a competition, but at times they're going to have to work together in cooperation. So playing through these levels, we like to call it co-opetition. And this is one of the easier levels on the game. Not that we don't think they could have played a harder level, but apparently maybe they couldn't.
So okay, everybody hop on the horse. Hop on, there you go. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. It happens. This is where the co-opetition really kicks in, is people just getting silly with the slapping. So if you hop on top of that horse, you can hop onto the barrier there. Every time you hit triangle, one of the balloons is going to come up. So if we don't hit that, you'll move faster. But, here, let me give you a hand pulling that. Alright. As you can see, we're just going to progress through the level, and this one, as you mentioned, is a very early on level.
Left behind.
Don't worry, you'll respawn. Let's go ahead and get this horse over to where we can get up there. Hop on over.
And poor Kyle doing all the work, getting none of the points.
That's all good. I'm used to it.
Uh-oh. Oh, say goodbye. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay, that was getting a little bit closer. Worried all of us were going to get pinched.
So those bubbles you're looking at there, guys, that's the same as it was in the mini games. That's how they are going to score points as they're playing. Those small bubbles are for the points. At different points in the level, there will also be big bubbles with objects inside of them. When you get those larger bubbles, those are unlocks for the game. So when you're playing through these levels at home, you'll have the ability to constantly add new features to your game.
Nicely done. All right. So again, this is just showing the physics-based action platformer. Good. Okay, so everybody up. Now we've got a key over here. So if two of us get over here and somebody else runs and jumps and grabs onto that sponge, you can swing over. That's unlocking a mini game or a challenge or objects that you're going to be able to use to make your levels. So right here we've got, this is how tutorials are done in the game. You just press the button and a movie's going to come up and it's going to show you how to do things. This particular one is showing us how to do stickers. So what I'm going to do is pin the tail on the donkey. So, how many tails do we want? There we go. Uh-oh,
bye, donkey.
It's leaving us.
So I had a good question down here in the front. The question was, when can we buy this game? This game will be coming out late this fall.
See how we've got 4 of us, 3, 2, 1, and then hop on the horse when we get going. And you can hold on for dear life onto this sponge up front, or one another, as the case may be. Now when we go jumping here, we have to try and keep the horse level. If you use the stick, you can actually mess with the angle of the horse. This one was relatively easy. Later on, you've got skateboard levels, which are monstrous. And that...
So here they come when they all go to the finish line.